Hi everyone, it's just a quick update video. Show you a couple new tractors that my brother and I have got. First I'll start off with my brother's, which he got 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Is this 60 something Sears Suburban 12. All original. Sat for 5 years without running in a guy's garage. Put a little bit of gas in a battery and fired right up. It runs decent. Burns oil. Got the removable grill piece there still. Had a motor deck at one time, but doesn't have it anymore. Didn't come with one. Came with a 3-point hitch, garden plow, and set of discs. This rototiller he got separately. It's a project. The engine's missing a couple parts. But the majority of it's there. Looks like it's a relatively low-hour unit. And we got almost, if not all, the engine parts to fix it and get it running. As you can see, tractor's decent shape, really just dirty. Seat's seen better days. And it's also the highly optional, or highly sought after optional swivel, shake around, go with the flow seat that just, this way if the tractor turns sideways, you're still level. And you can swivel it to get on and off, make it easier. Just makes it real fun to ride. Anyway, I guess I'll tell you what he paid for the tractor. For the tractor, disc, and plow. And the better thing we would say, what didn't he pay for it? Because he actually got the tractor, disc, and plow for free. Real good deal. And if you guys don't hate us enough already, this tiller on the back, I was looking at Craigslist one morning, saw it, picked that up for 20 bucks. So yeah, not too bad. There's $20 sitting in this whole area. Okay, I'll bring you over here, set you down, and we'll start it up. God damn it. Sorry about that. I'm trying to set the camera here and it just ain't working for me today. There we go. Choke, throttle. There you go. Like I said, it smokes and the wind's blowing, so it makes it look like the whole engine's on fire. Runs good though. That's another problem. There is no muffler. So I'll just shut it off. Yeah, the key doesn't work to shut it off, so just push the choke in because carb's not completely adjusted yet. I just open the choke, push the choke cable all the way in and shut it off. I guess I'll show you the next thing I bought today. Still on the truck too. Right here. Allis-Chalmers B112. Nothing too exciting yet, and not a very good view on the truck, so. Nice shape. It's been repainted a while ago, but whoever did a good job. Runs good. Needs a battery right now. Got a newer 16 horsepower Briggs in there, which is a real nice upgrade. But other than that, what you see there is pretty much what it is. It got Marduk in bouquet shape. Well, you listen to me talk and ramble on long enough, so let you go now. Thanks for watching.